Someone turns the key and the china doll stands on tiptoe. Pale and pink is she as she pirouettes to the music. All that she can see as a painted head goes spinning is a circle with no beginning, is a carousel never ending, is a roundabout to nowhere. So she never knows if she's happy or broken-hearted. Round and round she goes, always back again where she started. She will dance for you any hour you choose. She has no choice, she is there to amuse. She twists and turns, she will do as you say. She can't escape, she can never refuse you. Spin the wheel of chance, is there anyone there to save her? Someone turns the key and the china doll must die.